Hi, lovely people. How are you? If you read from my title, we are going to be unboxing the November 2019 Ipsy Plus. This is by far one of my favorites, the Ipsy Plus. So if you want to see what I got in my November box, then just keep on watching. All right, so I got this the other day. I actually have a few boxes that I need to do, but I cannot wait to see what is in here. I don't think I picked any add-ons, so I don't remember exactly if I looked to see what I have or not. I know there was one product in here I got to pick. I know Ipsy started doing that now. So if you don't know, I'm going to cut the tape. If you don't know, oh, why is it not cutting? Ipsy is $25 a month, and so far I've really been liking it. This is definitely better than the Ipsy Ultimate. All right, before I begin, if you don't know, I do have a giveaway going on. I am giving away both of the Shane Dawson and Jeffree Star palettes. I will leave the little, what do you call it, little picture right here, and I will also leave the link down below if you want to check it out. All right. So when you open it up, it looks like this. It says, Discover Yourself. And there is a little sneak peek. All right, so right here says the November 2019. And it is Wild Side is the theme. And then when you open it up, it tells you everything that you will get. Well, I'm looking now. And it also gives you prices, which I like when they give prices. All right, so the first thing I'll show you, this is what I picked. This is the Gigi Gorgeous, I thought it said Sick, but it says does that say Sick? It does, the Sick Sculpt Bronzer Duo. And I love bronzer. I think I like bronzer more than I like blush. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you like better? Do you like bronzer or do you like blush? All right, so I know Ipsy was collabing with Gigi Gorgeous. The last 3 months, they've been doing collabs, and I like their collabs, but I'm kind of getting sick of all the collabs. All right, so it looks like that. And then it has a mirror, and this looks like it was touched a little bit. I don't know if you can tell right here in the bronzer, if you can see that, unless I just did it now. I could have just hit it. So let's do a little swatchy swatch and see. So there we go. Oh, the bronzer's nice. So I like that a lot. I definitely think I'll get good use out of that. All right, so I'm definitely excited for this. How much is this puppy? This is $24. All right, let me show you what the bag looks like. The bag is on the bottom. So we have like a cheetah print, which I'm from New Jersey, and anybody from New Jersey knows animal prints. I don't think this will ever, like, people will get tired of animal print. I don't know, unless it's just me. So it's just a regular Ipsy bag. And you have a little tassel, which is nice. I'll definitely use this. And then inside is just all brown. All right. Love that. All right, so the next thing we got is this Illa Mask. This is a Hydra Veil. This is a primer. I believe that I got a sample size. I think Macy's. No, it couldn't be a Macy's. I forget what it was, but I got a little sample. Oh, the packaging is really, really pretty. Love that. It says Illa Mask right here. And this would be $45. See if I can open it up. I'm having trouble. I have carpal tunnel, and I'm having a lot of problems with my left hand. Oh, look at the little spoon that's right on top. That is so nice. Okay, see if I can get this thing open. Oh, this is different. This is like a gel. Yeah, I was thinking something else. So let me take right here. Yeah, that looks like Jell-O. All right, let's put that right here. That's I put way too much. Okay, so let's see. That's kind of different and neat at the same time. Let me put the lid on. Let's read up a little about this. I've never seen any primer like that. I definitely was not expecting that. It says, tip, apply a small dollop of Hydra Veil to fresh, clear skin. Not clear, clean. Gently apply to your face and massage into your skin until the product is fully absorbed. All right. I definitely put a lot on there. All right. Now, what else we got? What you got? Oh, so we got the Deuce Mascara. I've gotten a few of these. I've got some sample and a full size, and I actually really, really like this mascara. And I got this before, and it says we're not supposed to get duplicates. But because I really do like this, I actually don't mind getting a duplicate. And this would be $24. I'm not going to open it to show you the wand because I have a few mascaras already open, but I'm definitely really excited about getting that. Next, we got Ciate Dewy Stick. This is a highlighting balm. I could swear I got this before too. So that's what it looks like. And it's just like a little stick here. I'm not going to swatch it because I'll probably put this in a featured giveaway because I know I won't use that. I prefer the powder. And this is, how much did I say? Everything's so small. I don't know if that says 25 or 26. Let me get my handy dandy magnifying glass. $26. That's a lot for a balm, like a cream highlighter, isn't it? I don't know. And last but not least, we got this. It's a lipstick. What is this? Belle and Absent? I don't know how to pronounce this. Let me see what it says. Would you be? This is a lip color and smoking on screen, and this retails for, I don't know if that says 26 too. Yeah, $26. Holy crap. I remember back in the day just going to like the drugstore and getting one for like $5, $6. All right. Oh, that packaging is gorgeous. This is something that if you had like a little shelf to put it for show because it's too pretty. Oh my God, and it's magnet. Love that. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. Let's see. Oh, it's actually lighter than what I thought. Right? Look how dark that looks. That is really, really pretty. I really like this a lot. All right. So let's feel this. And this completely dry. Holy crap. This is completely dry. I am so surprised. And it actually, I don't know how much you will see. It actually made my skin, it really did smooth it out. Wow, I'm really excited about that. All right, so let's recap what we got for $25. So we got this beautiful, I mean, I love this packaging right here, really. And the color is so pretty. So we have this lipstick. We got this Ciate, what do you call it? Highlighting, like a cream highlighter. I could swear I've got this before, but I'll put this in a future giveaway. And I know for a fact I got this before, this Deuce Mascara. But like I said, I'm not mad because I really, really like this mascara. Then I got this. I'm so excited to use this. This is different. This is why I love subscription boxes because you get to try. This is a UK brand. And so far, everything that I have tried, I really like from this brand. And that's why I like subscription boxes because you get to try things that you would never try before. And is that everything? Why am I thinking? Oh, and then the bronzer, which I really like the bronzer. I like this a lot. So I'm actually not mad at it. I don't like the fact that we're getting duplicates because they do say that you should never get duplicates. And clearly I got 2 of them. And then we got this. So let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of Ipsy Plus? Do you like it? Do you not? This was not like my favorite month, but I'm not mad at it. I really don't have much to complain except for the duplicate items. I will leave right here how much everything came to. But let me know what you get. Do you get Ipsy Plus? Do you not? Let me know all the tea, what you think. Please rate this video, so either like it or dislike it. I prefer that you like it, but If you don't like this or you don't like Ipsy, then give me a thumbs down and let me know. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to comment and let me know how your day is. And as always, I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know. And I will see you. Oh, don't forget about that giveaway, the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson. I will leave the link down below, so make sure you enter. And turn that post notification bell on, because point A, like I do to my kids. Make sure you turn it on and hit it twice so it's on all, because YouTube doesn't like giving out notifications. That way you'll be notified for my future videos, because I do have a subscription box that I'm going to be unboxing that is worse than the Trisha Paytas box. Seriously. So make sure you have that bell on so you'll be notified for that. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much. I'm repeating myself. All right. I will see you in my next video. Bye.